Hey guys, we received this wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver for test and try. So let us try and see how this works. This will be very useful for your presentation or to cast your screen from your laptop or any other HDMI device to your other device or monitor. And it's pretty straightforward, so you don't need any the Google service or something, and you can cast anything whatever you want. So this comes with this two USB for the two receiver. So there is one receiver and one sender. So just try in this thing. So we can see this is the whole plastic, and this is one end is the HDMI, and then one is the transmitter, one is the receiver, and both have a HDMI inbuilt. It also have a USB-C for getting this power. So yeah, so there is this USB. So this USB-C will give the power to this transmitter or receiver, and then it can be through the USB. This is a 1080p wireless HDMI kit. So plug and play. So I just put it in with USB-C to this HDMI transmitter and receiver here. In the monitor, you see it says plug and play. You have to press this button, and then it started. In my laptop, I'm transmitting this royalty-free YouTube video, so that it's no copyright thing. So as you can see, this is on my laptop, and I'm transmitting this through this transmitter HDMI to my monitor directly. So there is no connection with the wire of HDMI. It is wirelessly transferring from transmitter to receiver, exactly 1080p quality, no issue with the streaming. You can use any wireless device. So this is a pretty good kit for transmission.